This is a fun farm. Here we are. There are a lot of animals inside. Do you hear the sheep laugh? Let's join their fun. There were 5 little sheep on the hay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them jumped joyfully. One is hidden mischievously. There were 4 sheep left. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 sheep on the hay. They jumped all over happily. One is hidden secretly. There are 3 sheep left. 1, 2, 3. There were 3 sheep on the hay. They all chuckled friendly. One is hidden playfully. There are 2 sheep left. 1, 2. There were 2 sheep on the hay. They both jumped holding hands. One is hidden. Where is he? Guess. There is 1 sheep left. 1. There was 1 sheep on the hay. Jumped on his own. Bounces. Then all the sheep reappeared. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have fun, sheep. Have fun.